Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for XBitcoin Capex Club. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The XBitcoin Capex Club is a trading platform which helps traders to identify and analyze the best trade strategy. To sign up for XBitcoin Capex Club, you'll need to first open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in xbitcoincapex.app and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, you can now fill out the registration form in order to sign up. Start off by typing in your first name that you'd like to sign up with and then type in your last name on the next field. Now, where it says email, type in the email address that you have an access to. Select your country from the drop-down under phone and type in a valid mobile number in the text box. Soon after you fill in all of the information, click on the Register Now button. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to sign up for XBitcoin Capex Club. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.